Hey guys, what's up? It's Kat. Today I'm going to show you what's on my brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max. Starting off strong, we have this gorgeous new phone case and these little camera gems, and of course my little beaded wrist strap that I'm obsessed with. These are my different home screens and the focus modes that they're under. This one with the teddy bears is my filming, which basically no notifications come through. Then this is the one that I'm using every single day. It's giving that aura aesthetic, but a little bit of a fall twist. I'll show you guys more about that one. This one is my do not disturb. I kind of like having this when I go to sleep. It's just a vibe, the purple and orange. I love it. And then this one is a picture I took actually in Chvad when I was in Croatia this summer. I just absolutely love this photo, so I sometimes switch it out to this one. I love having tiny widgets on the top. The first one is a little Halloween cute widget that is from the Miko app. Then we have a little bear with a heart, and then a maple leaf. You guys don't know I am Canadian, and this is giving such fall vibes. Then of course my rings. I'm doing very poorly today. I haven't gone to the gym yet, so the rings need a little help. But this is everything I have right here on my home screen. I don't know about you guys, but my phone is always in dark mode, literally for the past few years. However, I feel like I want to switch it up, and it makes it look a little bit more aesthetic with these colors if my widgets are lighter. So this is my second day with the light mode on. Let's see how long that lasts. I love that my home screen is giving the cute Halloween-y vibes already. It is like October 4th, but I'm excited and it's so cute. I got this picture actually on Pinterest. I'm gonna link my Pinterest below so you guys can find all the photos that I use because I think it's really cute. So starting off, we have our photos, notes, and fitness, and then Philips Hue lights. If you guys know me, I am obsessed with my Philips Hue lights. I have so many. I have it behind my TV, right here. My whole office has the Philips Hue lights in it, and I love being able to just turn on and off my lights with my phone. If I'm laying in bed, I can turn it on and off. It's great. Plus, I love having pretty purple and pink vibes all the time. I've had Audible for a while now and just downloaded a bunch of more audiobooks. I'm currently listening to A Good Girl's Guide to Murder. Someone recommended it to me from TikTok and I really like it. But when I was listening to it on a plane, I accidentally fell asleep and woke up at the end of the book. So now I have to go and find where I was, but I think I know some spoilers. That's okay. I downloaded a bunch of recommendations from TikTok, but I really want to know what you guys recommend to me. If you guys listen to audiobooks, let me know. I'm really into mysteries and also self-help, so give me your recommendations, please. Now we have our reminders. I love having it right here, and ticking them off just makes me so happy. Yay, love it. Next we got our Instagram. My Instagram is On Fleek Creative, and I post a lot of Instagram stories and lots of reels, so go check it out if you haven't already. Then we got our TikTok, of course. I'm at Katarina on TikTok. Love making TikToks. Then we got our Snapchat. I'm trying to be more active on Snapchat, so go hit me a follow there. I'm gonna be posting more BTS of my life and stuff that doesn't make it to Instagram stories, so it'll be fun. Then of course Threads. I was obsessed with Threads the first like 3 days, but now I don't really post on there anymore. I don't know. Are you guys still posting on Threads? I just keep it there in case a random thought comes to my mind and I like to put it there. All right, now our next page, we got our big widget, Audible. You guys know I'm on that grind. And actually new clock widgets came out, so I think this one looks cute. If you guys know me, you know I love this Amigo widget. I think it's so cool and gives me that nostalgic feel. Plus the music I was listening to is, let me show you, Lo-Fi Girl Beats to Relax and Study to. Really like this when I'm doing my work or just editing in the background. It is a vibe. To go along with the fall vibes, I added little emojis to my folders that are really cute, getting me in that spirit. The first one, this is all my editing apps. So obviously I have Lightroom and then Me Too and Foodie. So you guys know I love that light and bright aesthetic to my photos. So I always edit in Foodie. Here's the before. I actually just got this Xbox controller and Grimace pack from McDonald's a few hours ago. So I took this to post my story. And I'm just gonna click on edit and then I go to ME2. That one's my favorite. Then I just change the brightness a little bit and it's perfect. Saved to my device. Instagram story now looks chef's kiss perfect. Then we have the Teza app and CapCut. I love CapCut for editing videos quickly on my iPhone, and then Swipe Wipe. Guys, this app, I found out about it a few days ago and I'm seriously obsessed with it. And I know I might say that a lot, but like, no, this one, if you're gonna download any app that I have, download this. Basically, if you do not delete any of your photos, like me, and you keep everything for some reason, but you know you gotta delete some because your storage is crazy. You have to get Swipe Wipe. Basically, swipe left to delete and right to keep the photo. Okay, delete, delete, keep, right? And then you can just delete all images at once. And it makes it feel like a little game because you can do like on this day. So then you'll look at last year and delete or keep. Or just like September of this year. Okay, delete, keep. I love this. And I'm determined to do it every day so that I can clean out my camera roll. So useful. This folder has all my social medias, LinkedIn, Facebook, Pinterest, and my Amazon. If you guys don't already know, there's gonna be a Amazon Prime Big Deal Days huge sale going on October 10th and 11th. And I actually made an idea list of my favorite products that are on sale, such as my pink microphone that I use for voiceovers and streaming. We have the Laneige lip balm, this gorgeous pink blazer. We got so much cool stuff. I'll put it down in the description box. Then we have this other folder that has Uber. We got my Air Canada. I always fly with Air Canada, so that's there. We got our Hilton Honors, Google Maps, my credit card, Uber Eats, OpenTable, and Starbucks. I feel like I need to delete the Starbucks app because I'd be spending too much money, and Uber Eats. We're not gonna delete it. We're not gonna delete it. But I probably should. Okay, on to the next. This is my fun folder. We got Disney Plus. I have been rewatching Desperate Housewives on Disney Plus because it gives me that like fall vibe kind of. And I just love Wisteria Lane and all the little drama that everyone has. I watched it like 6 years ago with my mom, the whole thing, and I'm rewatching it. I just love it so much. Then we got Prime Video and Crave. On Crave, I watch Sex and the City. Then we have the Kernel app, which is a new app. This basically will show every single TV show and movie and you can put it into playlists. So I just made the one with like fall shows, my favorites like the OC, Friday Night Lights, Gilmore Girls. Then we got shows I want to watch, movies I want to watch, and I just made these playlists for myself. It used to all be in my notes, but I feel like that was confusing. And this also looks really aesthetic with all of the pictures next to it. And then what I like is they have an upcoming one. So I put a bunch of movies that I'm excited to watch, like Malibu Rising. I've read the books, I'm excited for that movie. And Wish. And then it tells you how many days until it comes out, which is really cool. Then we got our Xbox app. I'm actually going to an event tonight with Xbox Canada because Forza Motorsport is coming out and I'm really excited to play that new game. And now we have our Holo app. Love this app. In my iPhone 14 Pro Max video, I think I shared a bit about it with you guys. It has a lot of prayers and meditation and I like to listen to it before I go to bed. If you guys follow me on Instagram and TikTok, you know that I love going to Universal and Disneyland. So I obviously have these two here. Anytime I am in LA, I make the trip to go. I absolutely love going to Super Mario World and seeing Princess Peach. And I was just at Disneyland 2 weeks ago and had the best time ever as always. I also filmed a vlog there that was completely shot on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So stay tuned for that video because I'm definitely gonna edit it tonight. and I got to customize Halloween ears. I made a TikTok about it. It was so much fun. I cannot wait to go back. Then I got my Goodreads app and Kindle. So I bought a Kindle the last Amazon Prime Day and I am obsessed with it. I absolutely love it. It honestly got me back into reading. I used to love reading so much when I was younger and then kind of like fell out of it. But I thought if I got a Kindle, I would read more, and that's exactly what happened. I really wanted a cozy Halloween cute book to read. I didn't want anything too spooky, even though I love mystery thriller vibes, but I wanted something cozy. So I found this one on TikTok. Someone recommended it. It is called The House Witch. I just started it last night. I think I'm like 20 pages in, so I don't really have an opinion on it yet, but it seems pretty cute. I am really getting back into my reading groove, especially for the fall. It's just such a vibe. So yeah, that's everything on my iPhone 15 Pro Max. I'm coming out with fun customization videos for next week, so make sure to stay tuned and hit like and subscribe. I cannot wait for you guys to see how I customize it with really fun, different aesthetics. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.